Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add subscription form to the header of your website so that your website visitors can be able to have access to it very easy, and you'll be able to get their email address to your email box. So let me quickly show you how to do that. And by the way, I'm going to be using the ConvertKit. If you don't know how to sign up and register your account, here is how to do that. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to ConvertKit and register your account. If you already registered, you can log in right here. If not, you are going to sign up and you are ready to go. So let's sign up. So here it's going to ask you if you are a robot or not. So right there, you want to know if you are a robot or not. So you are not a robot. It's going to confirm that. And since you are not a robot, it's going to present you with this box here. So you are going to fill in your details here. So let's fill in our details. So I'm just going to fill up my this box here. So you're going to fill in your name, email, password, and then you are ready to go, and you're going to click get started. So let me fill up mine right now. When you fill up your details here and you are ready to go, then you click get started. So here, if you are just getting started, just hit I'm just getting started. So I'm just going to continue. If not, you can say yes, I'm moving from all other tools, from another tools. So here you are going to tell them how big is your audience. So you're going to tell them it's from 1,000, it's from 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000, and vice versa. So I'm just going to choose 1 to 1,000. So let's continue. So here they want you to enter your name here, so your brand name. So I'm just gonna leave it as Mark here, your business name. So when you finish with it, continue. So here they want you to choose a custom domain name, so you can just put your URL or your domain, your ConvertKit domain. So here, let me go with this one here. So here they want to know which type of creator are you. So if you are an artist, you can tell them. If you are an athlete, you can tell them. If you're an author, you can tell them blogger, chef, coach, designer, educator, filmmaker, influencer, journalist, maker, marketer, musiker. So I'm just going to go with marketer and continue. So yeah, they want to know what you want to use the ConvertKit for. So you are going to tell them. So if you want to grow your list, you can choose that. If you want to send email, you can choose that. If you want to earn income, you can choose that. If you are just looking around, you can just pick that. So I'm going to choose this one here. I want to grow my list. So you continue. And so now that you've signed up and you're ready to go, so you want to go here, grow. So you are going to present you with this box here. So you are going to click landing page. So you want to create landing page and forms for your website, so you can be able to collect emails from your website. So to create form for your landing page, you can go here. If you want to create if you need landing page, you can go here and create landing page for your website. So if you already have a landing page, you just create a form. So let's create a form here. So here you are going to choose the one that you like, the display format you like. So if you want, you can choose inline, you can choose model, yeah, slide, you can choose slide or sticky. So I'm just going to choose inline. So these are the templates that you can choose from. So you can choose from this template here, the one that you like. You look around and choose the one you like. So now let's say I want to choose this one here. I want to go with this one here. So let's choose Charlotte. So here is where you can customize your template. So if you want to change the image, you can just click on the image and on the background image. So let's say you want to change the background image here. You just choose the edit here and click edit. So you can upload image that you like from there. If you want to change the words here, you can just highlight it and type the word that you want. So you can just change the word there and you can change the, so if you want to change this, you can type here and change the color here. So I want to change the color to another color here. You can adjust the color here. You can adjust the color also here. And it's gonna give you that color there. So if you want to change this, you can just change the color also here. If you want to change the words, you can just highlight the word. And you are ready to go. If you want to change this, you just highlight this as before and type the word, any word that you like. So here is where you can change the font. If you want the font to be bold, you can go with bold. If you want the font to be normal, you can choose normal. If you want to change, if you want to adjust the border, you can. If you want the border to be 0 or then it's the border. So if you want to add more SS code here, you can enter the SSS code that you want for the template. So when you finish, you hit save. So now your form has been saved. Now that you've edited your template, if you want to take this template to your website. How do you do that? To do that, you want to go to publish right there. So when you click on publish, this code is going to pop out. So you want to copy this code here. So if you have any landing page on your website or you can just copy it and ready to go. HTML here. If you want to share it, you can share it here. If it is WordPress, you can just use WordPress or Unbound here. So there. Copy the HTML code there. This is the code you are going to be using. And go to your website and paste it there. So let me show you how to paste it to your website. How to paste this code to your website. So now that you've get your HTML code, let's go ahead and add this to the header of this website. So I want the subscription form to show up around somewhere around this area at the top. So let's go ahead and add it to it. So here you want to go to widgets. You can go from here or you can go from the dashboard area. Go from the dashboard area, go to appearance and go from widgets. So let's go from here. So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down and look for the header bar. So you want to look for header bar. This is right sidebar and this is the left sidebar. This is the header right there. And by the way, I am using the generate press theme. Your own theme are different from this one right there. So you can see the header right there, and if you have the header, you can add it to it. So you want to click the plus here. You want to add a HTML code. So here is what you are going to look for: custom HTML. And if you don't see it on this area here, just type HTML. So it's gonna pop up here. So here's what we're gonna be using to inside the HTML code to this header of this website. So let's click on that. Now you want to paste in the code that, so we're going to paste in the code that just got from the ConvertKit site. So now that you've pasted in the code right here, you want to save it, you want to update it at the top here, and you want to preview it, you can go from there. So let's go ahead and preview this. So this is how it look from the in real life. So now let's go and visit the site. So as you can see right here at the header, the email subscription form is there. Build with ConvertKit. So that's how you do it. That's how you add your subscription form, email subscription form to the header of your website. If you guys have any question upon this video here, let me know in the down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.